And this is time consuming, but for me it's not tedious. I enjoy it tremendously. So I'm just going to blend that out. Make it good so it doesn't show on there. Okay, and I can also do a whitewash over it later. Right now I'm just going to put in some more of the little bits of dot of the pattern. There we go. Little bits of the pattern. Okay. Try to stick with the pattern. It's almost like pegboard. That up the wing. And I'm seeing some green as well in that body part, so I'm going to add a little bit of green to it and blend in the outside edge. Make sure I've got it lined up pretty well. And if I don't like it at all, I can always take a Q-tip and take it off. But it will take off everything I painted today if I keep brushing it with a wet Q-tip. I'm just going to tap a little bit around it and remove some of it. Just trying to give the illusion of there being a pattern, and I may have to do a wash over this. Like I said,